Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on YouTube automation using Chatgpt AI. In this guide, we will explore the power of AI in automating various aspects of your YouTube channel, helping you streamline your content creation, optimize your reach, and enhance your overall YouTube experience. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced YouTuber, this video will provide you with valuable insights and practical steps to automate your workflow effectively. Let's get started. Understanding YouTube automation. YouTube automation refers to the process of utilizing AI-powered tools and techniques to automate different aspects of your channel management. With the advancements in AI technology, it is now possible to automate tasks such as video editing, thumbnail creation, keyword research, comment moderation, and more. By automating these tasks, you can save time, improve efficiency, and focus on creating high-quality content. You need to launch a video editing program before you can do anything else. You may visit Capcard at capcard.com for one of the simplest things to use if you're just starting out or don't want to spend money on pricey video editing software. They provide a ton of templates and samples that you can use to make great films, as well as a ton of stock material. After completing that, you should head over and register to access the GPT. You may now establish a free account after registering. I'll show you exactly how to use it to increase views. But for now, you should choose a niche for your videos. Anything having to do with online business and making money is one of the best options. I'm really bullish on these because they have YouTube's highest CPM. You may really generate the most money from these kinds of videos. CPM stands for cost per million or cost per 1,000 views. When you do, let's suppose that specialty is going to be producing money with artificial intelligence. Now you want to go on and build a logo and a profile picture for your channel. You can utilize AI to do both of these things. You may visit logoai.com, enter the name of your channel, click Continue, choose a few colors, and then build a logo. Now, in order to actually have those adverts show up in your videos and earn money from them, your YouTube channel has to be accepted into the Partner Program. To be accepted into the Partner Program, you must have 1,000 subscribers and $4,000 in watch time. Suppose you don't want to wait until you travel there for 18 months to fulfill those requirements. In that case, you can simply visit dfydave.com Monetization and get your YouTube channel monetized in under 24 hours, ensuring that every video you publish actually generates revenue for you. Therefore, if you don't want to spend time or money, you may monetize your channel right away and start making money from it. Now, that's just one way you can make money off of these videos. Before I show you how to utilize ChatGPT to increase views on your YouTube videos, I should mention that you can also make money off of them through affiliate marketing. You may just visit a site where you can find a wide variety of affiliate offers, such as PartnerStack, Digistore, ClickBank, etc. If your channel focuses on online business, you may also visit the onlinebusinessacademy.com affiliate. Join up to become a member and then take advantage of affiliate links for any deals that are pertinent to the kinds of videos you're producing. So for instance, if you're creating a video about how to generate money using artificial intelligence, you may discover a course or digital product that discusses the topic. There is no limit to how much money you can make by marketing them if you do it as an affiliate and receive commissions. As I promised, I'll demonstrate how to utilize ChatGPT to increase the number of views on your YouTube videos. I'll also explain one of my simplest methods for expanding your channel's audience. I don't advise doing this if you're just getting started. If you have more than 10,000 subscribers, it won't be worthwhile. But if you have fewer than 10,000 and aren't expanding quickly, you can identify channels in your niche to help spread the word. Find already popular or growing channels that are quite similar to each other, and then subscribe to each of those channels. So the beauty is coming up with something interesting, something valuable for people to read, and when they read that, they are more likely to learn about your channel and increase engagement if the comment itself is interesting. So more channels will come, and more people will check your channel. And especially if you comment under similar channels, you can target an audience that already watches identical videos. So of course, this will only help you when you start getting your first subscribers. get your first views. But I don't recommend doing this if your channel is already growing. Traditionally, video editing was a time-consuming and labor-intensive process. However, with AI-powered tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro X, and DaVinci Resolve, you can now automate several editing tasks. These tools offer features like automatic scene detection, color grading, audio enhancements, and even AI-generated transitions. By using these tools, you can significantly reduce the time and effort required for editing your videos. Creating visually appealing thumbnails is crucial for attracting viewers to click on your videos. Instead of manually designing thumbnails, you can leverage the power of AI-powered tools to streamline the process and generate eye-catching thumbnails automatically. Canva is a widely used graphic design platform that offers a range of pre-designed templates and intuitive editing tools. With Canva, you can easily create professional-looking thumbnails by choosing from a variety of customizable templates and adding text, images, and graphics. Canva's AI algorithms can even suggest design elements based on your video content, making it easier to create visually appealing thumbnails. Adobe Spark is another excellent tool for creating dynamic and engaging thumbnails. With its user-friendly interface and powerful AI capabilities, you can quickly generate eye-catching thumbnails. Adobe Spark offers a wide range of templates, fonts, colors, and graphics to choose from. Additionally, it provides AI-powered features that can suggest design enhancements based on your video content, ensuring that your thumbnails align with your brand and capture viewers' attention. For those seeking a more advanced level of automation and customization, custom AI solutions can be developed. These solutions can be built using deep learning algorithms, computer vision, and image recognition techniques. By training the AI model with a large dataset of successful thumbnails, it can generate thumbnails specific to your channel's style and content. However, building custom AI solutions may require technical expertise or the assistance of AI developers. Effective keyword search is essential for optimizing your videos for search engines and improving their discoverability. AI tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ can help automate this process by suggesting relevant keywords, analyzing competition, and providing insights on search trends. By leveraging AI for keyword research, you can identify popular search terms and create content that resonates with your target audience. Consistency is a vital factor in growing your YouTube channel, and scheduling your videos in advance can help you maintain a regular upload frequency. By utilizing AI-powered tools, you can automate the content scheduling process, ensuring that your videos reach your audience at optimal times without requiring constant manual intervention. Hootsuite is a comprehensive social media management platform that allows you to schedule and publish your YouTube videos across multiple platforms. With Hootsuite, you can create a content calendar, plan your video releases, and schedule posts in advance. It supports various social media platforms, including YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, enabling you to streamline your content distribution process. Buffer is another widely used social media scheduling tool that supports YouTube video scheduling. With Buffer, you can plan and schedule your video releases, write compelling captions, and even customize the posting times for different time zones. It provides an intuitive interface and offers analytics to help you track the performance of your scheduled videos. By leveraging these AI-powered scheduling tools, you can plan and automate your content release strategy in advance. This helps you maintain a consistent presence on YouTube, even if you have a busy schedule or are unable to manually publish videos regularly. YouTube automation powered by Chatgpt AI offers incredible opportunities for YouTubers to streamline their workflow and optimize their content creation process. By automating tasks such as video editing, thumbnail creation, keyword research, comment moderation, and content scheduling, you can save time, enhance the quality of your videos, and improve audience engagement. Remember, while automation can be immensely beneficial, it's essential to maintain a balance between automation and human touch. Focus on leveraging AI to handle repetitive and time-consuming tasks, allowing you to allocate more time towards creating valuable content and engaging with your audience. Like this tutorial? Comment below and let us know your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.